Next, come to the book work, that is on page number 72. First is your fill in the blanks. Let's do. Options are given to you. You have to choose the correct option from them. First fill up is most plants on the earth are dash. Two options are given. One is green and one is non-green. We know that most of the earth is covered with green plants. So answer is green. Next, the dash let air flow in and out of the leaf. Now, which part of the leaf allows the air to flow in and flow out? That is stomata. Green plants make their own food with the help of dash in the leaves. What is present in the leaves? Which substance is present in the leaves that is responsible for preparing food? That is chlorophyll. Next, the dash takes the prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. The root takes the prepared food from the leaves. Root, it is in the soil, so it cannot take. So, stem is the answer. Extra food prepared by the leaves is stored as dash in the different parts of the plant. Iodine is the solution, it is not the form of food. So, starch is the form of food that is stored in parts of the plant. Starch. Food is stored in the form of starch in plants. First fill up green, second stomata, third chlorophyll, fourth stem, and fifth one is a starch. Next is match the following. We have to match the column A with the column B. First is veins. What is the function of veins? They transport food within the leaf. That is function of veins. Answer I am writing. Transport within the leaf. Next is photosynthesis. This is the process to prepare food in plants. Process of preparing food. Next is stomata. These are the tiny openings present underside the leaf, taking in and giving out air. Veins transport within the leaf, means they transport food within the leaf. Photosynthesis, it is the process of preparing food. Stomata, function of stomata is taking in and giving out air. Number 4 is glucose, that is the prepared food in plants. The food that is prepared in plants, that is glucose. It is prepared in the form of glucose. Fourth is glucose. This is the prepared food. Next, fifth is a starch. This is the stored food. Food is stored in the form of starch. That is a stored food. Next question is choose the correct options. We have to choose the correct option from the given 4 options. First question, which of these help to transport substances within the leaf? We know that veins help in the transportation of food within the leaf. Veins. Next, which of these help to absorb water and minerals for the plant? Stem, no. We know that water and minerals, they are present in the soil, within the soil. So leaves, no. Veins, no. So roots are present in the soil. So roots is the answer. They absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. Which part of the leaf removes vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? So we know that air is released through the stomata, and water vapor also released through the stomata after photosynthesis. Which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? Which is not the raw material for making food? Carbon dioxide is required, water is also required, sunlight is also required. So everything is required from these options. Answer is D, none of these. Fifth answer, which of these is not true about photosynthesis? Food prepared is in the form of sugar, right, because it is prepared in the form of glucose, that is sugar. Food prepared is in the form of starch, it is false. Carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials, correct. Chlorophyll is needed to absorb light, that is also correct. So answer is B. Food prepared is in the form of starch. Because the food prepared, it is present in the form of glucose, not the starch. Answer number 6. Which of these shows the presence of starch? Iodine turns reddish brown, starch turns to glucose, iodine solution turns bluish black, and leaves turn green. We know that we can test the presence of starch in the food item when we add iodine solution, and if the iodine solution turns bluish black, it means the starch is present in that food item. So C is the correct answer. Iodine solution turns bluish black. Which of these are the main producers of food? We already know the main producers of the food are plants. Question number 8. Which of these shows dependence of animals on plants? Plants give off oxygen that animals use for breathing. Animals make food for the plants. Animals depend on green plants for food. Both A and C. We know that both A and C are correct answers. Why? Because plants give oxygen that animals use for breathing, and animals, they require food. That is why they depend on the plants. They take that food from the plants. So answer is both A and C. Next, you have to do one activity at home, and you will submit that activity on Saturday, that is 12th of September, to me. What is that activity? You have to make a list of different foodstuffs that you eat during a particular day, and then analyze each of them for their nutrients. What you have to do बेटे, आपने फूड स्टफ्स की लिस्ट बनानी है जो आप खाते हो दिन में, and on the beside it you have to write the nutrients that are present in them. This activity is based on chapter number 1, that is food. Nutrients means which type of nutrient, minerals are present, carbohydrates, proteins, whether vitamins, what is present in that specific food items. So this is the activity, and you will submit this activity on Saturday to me. Send it on my WhatsApp number only. I'll check it. Make a list of different foodstuffs you eat during a particular day and then analyze each of them for their nutrients. Make a list of different foodstuffs you eat during a particular day and then analyze each of them for their nutrients. You will have to make a list, means what you have eaten during a particular day, and on the other side you will write which type of nutrients are present in that food items. So this is your activity submitted by Saturday. Thank you and have a nice day.